Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create a report designer. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX and Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report on. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have used to design this report on. Okay, just click on fields. So now you can see that dim customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Now I'll try to see that is also. Just click on model. So collapse this. Scroll down. So now we can see that I have enabled the relationship between based on this column. For example, in dim date table, I have date column. In internet sales, we have order date key. So based on these two columns, I have enabled the relationship, and also we can notice that what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. Based on filter propagation, it is flowing from the dim date table to the internet sales table. So like that. So I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So we'll try to see all kind of options in upcoming sessions. For time being, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. So now we can see that we have different charts and visuals. So here we can see this is the year slicer, this is the month slicer, this is the region wise slicer. So here we are displaying, so in this chart we are displaying current MTD and previous MTD. So current month MTD and previous month MTD we are displaying. Now we can see, so in this visual I am displaying current month MTD and previous month MTD, but here I am displaying current YTD and last year YTD. So this year YTD and last year YTD I am displaying here. So in this visual I am displaying each month wise sales based on the filter. Okay, so in this visual month filter is not going to work because I have disabled by using edit interaction options. So only year wise we can filter as well as region wise. If you want, we can filter anything, so region wise and year wise. Okay, so and also we can see that based on each month wise we can see that tooltip, like custom tooltip I have designed, like so each month we have week sales, right? So each month wise we can understand which week is doing well, which week is not doing well. So based on that, so we can study the data and make a decisions. So each week we can display the very dynamically. Even we can change regions. You want to say that France or in 2002 France. So each month wise what are the week sales, so which week is doing more, which week is not doing well. See, and also so here we can change based on the month selection, automatic it's getting changed. Yeah, it's getting changed, right? But in this visual, so it's not affecting month visual, so I have disabled by using edit interaction both and because so we are calculating entire year to date, so that is the reason month filter is not getting applied here. Okay, so this is the, so reason wise we can select anything, so immediately we can see March 1 2003 4. So basically 2004 we have sales from up to July only, so that is the reason only we can see the sales. But in 2001 we have sales from July month onwards only, so that is the reason we did not see anything. Okay, So like that I have designed the report. So I hope you like this report. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for videos. Thank you so much for watching.